After my parents introduced me to Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, I became his greatest admirer, and I went to Bombay many a time, and I had the honor of visiting his home, Malabar Hill. I came to the conclusion, he is my leader. I can put my faith into him, and I became a devotee of the organization he headed, as did my parents.
A big fan of Jinnah, Qutbuddin Aziz was a part of the independence struggle and witnessed the birth of Pakistan.
Why did all those millions of people migrate? Was it for Islam or was it for economic reasons? Because there are many people who say that it was a land of new economic opportunities.
Well, Muslims in India were harassed by the Hindus. Every day there was communal rioting in Kanpur, in Delhi, in Gurmukteshwar, and so on, and all these places. And the newspapers had the most harrowing stories about the killing of Muslims in different parts of India by Hindu vampires. And so the fact of the matter is that the Muslims who came to Pakistan, they came in search of security. I think it was also a side feeling that perhaps in a state of Muslims in Pakistan, they would be able to get better jobs. And there's no doubt about it that compared with India, they got better jobs.
A writer of 20 books on subjects mostly related to the subcontinent and its partition, he gave me the idea of the Pakistan that Jinnah wanted.
Many a time Quaid-e-Azam was asked, well, what kind of Islam, what kind of Islamic state do you want? And he said, I want the Islamic state to be absolutely liberal, like the state that the Prophet of Islam built up. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah most vehemently observed that I don't want to create a theocratic state. I want a state where the Muslims and the Hindus and people of other religions can live in peace and harmony. The concept of human rights in the thinking of Mr. Jinnah was for all the citizens of the state.
It is a concept to which Dr. Israr and Javed Ghamidi both agree.
ये हकीकत जो है बावर कर लेनी चाहिए कि पाकिस्तान इस्लाम की बुनियाद पर बना था और ये इस्लाम की बुनियादी पर कायम रह सकता है। हमने इस्लाम इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया। अल्लाह का पहला कोड़ा हम पर पड़ा 1971 में और 2 लख्त हो गए।
एक पाकिस्तान था जिसके अंदर इसकी बड़ी तवक्कुआत थी कि यहाँ एक डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस के ज़रिए से इस्लाम का ज़हूर भी होगा, मुसलमानों की भी सही तरबियत होगी और ये एक आइडियल स्टेट बनेगी मुसलमानों के लिए। वो ख्वाब भी शर्मिंदा ताबीर नहीं।
After Jinnah and Iqbal, the rulers of the country had their own understanding of what the two leaders wanted, and the preceding rulers did their best to shape Pakistan according to their own thinking. People who participated in the independence struggle did it in the form of the objective resolution.
Theoretically, ये हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में मौजूद है कि sovereignty belongs to Allah. ये हमारे करारदाद मकासिद में है। हमारे यहाँ ये भी तय है कि किताब और सुन्नत के खिलाफ कोई कानून साजी नहीं होगी। इन 2 चीज़ों ने थियोरेटिकली लीगली पाकिस्तान को एक इस्लामिक स्टेट बना दिया है, बट प्रैक्टिकली इट इज़ नॉट। इसलिए कि उसी दस्तूर के अंदर ऐसे लकूने मौजूद हैं, ऐसे रखने और चौड़ दरवाजे मौजूद हैं कि ये जो प्रोविजंस हैं इस्लामी के इफेक्टिव है ही नहीं।
ये सेकुलर स्टेट, ये इस्लामिक स्टेट की इस्तिलाहात बिल्कुल इर्रेलेवेंट हो चुकी हैं। देखिए, किसी ज़माने में शख्सी हुकूमतें होती थी, यानी किसी शख्स ने आमिरियत से बादशाहत की बुनियाद पर एक हुकूमत कायम कर ली है। वहाँ ये मसला होता था कि अब ये तय किया जाए कि रियासत कैसी होगी। हम तो इस वक्त जमहूरी दौर में जी रहे हैं। इस्लाम का मंशा भी यही है। कुरान मजीद ने ऐलान किया इस बात का कि मुसलमानों का नज़्म इज्तिमाई जमहूरियत पर मबनी होगा।
Democracy has been abused in the West. It has been abused because a small minority of white people in Britain voted over the fate of an empire on which the sun never set. Jinnah never asked the British to give him Pakistan. Jinnah only said, let the people decide. Iqbal has been on record at every stage in his life from beginning to end for supporting spiritual democracy, which is the ultimate aim of Islam. If we want to understand spiritual democracy, if we want to understand Pakistan, we should read the Allahabad address, in which Iqbal stated the idea of Pakistan. It's a complete document.
सैयो तगैयुर के वली हैं, हम ताबा अबद सैयो तगैयुर के वली हैं।